Hey guys, another video for our Food and Eating in Japan playlist. On previous videos we've showed you the traditional way for customers to gain the attention of staff in restaurants and izakaya and things like that. Usually we call out "Sumimasen" and the staff say "Hi" and they come running over to the table. But there's a modern version of that, and it's these buttons that you'll see on your table. And it just saves the customer calling out, basically. It also means that in places like izakaya where you've got people in lots of little rooms, it saves them calling out to staff. They can just push the little button and the staff come running. So a couple of things to listen out for. We're going to show you a few examples of this. One is just to listen to the ping pong itself, but also watch how quick the staff come. We're going to do it in real time. There's no editing. You're going to see in real time how long we waited from when we pushed the button to when the staff appear. The other interesting thing is they have a variety of things that they say when they first come to the table, depending on the restaurant, but usually they start by saying, "Sorry to keep you waiting," which is pretty funny because, as you'll see, there's not a lot of waiting going on, but the very first thing they say when they arrive at the table is, "Very sorry to keep you waiting," which is very nice. So anyway, please enjoy this.
この前も撮ってたよ、キャメラ。失礼いたします。ご注文お願いいたします。お待たせいたしました。はい、わかりました。お持ちします。少々いたします。もう一回上げて。それが食べてよ。食べてよ。はい。私も。取れました。また見てきたらね、また。はい、すみません、失礼いたします。はい。またね。
impressive service, isn't it? Hope somebody found that interesting. More videos coming soon.